Hello happy people and welcome to yet another update video. Today we are going to review 4 projects: Formation.fi, Kanumo, ISPO Link and Bcube. These are all different projects in the crypto space and they seek to improve pre-existing solutions or solve specific problems associated with blockchain technology. Be sure to watch this video to the very end, especially if you are excited to know the latest developments in these 4 possible 100x projects. But before we jump into the video, please note that the content here is meant for education and entertainment purposes only and is not to be used as financial advice. With that being said, let's dive into the video. First up is Formation.fi, the project that provides you with strategies to mitigate risk when trading crypto. After a successful strategic round, during which Formation raised 3.3 million, the team recently announced that they will conduct a strongholder offering (SHO) on DAO Maker. This means that the Form, which is a token that fuels the Formation.fi ecosystem, will be available for the public on DAO Maker's fundraising platform. The key details about this upcoming SHO will include the date, which will be 7th of June 2021. The IDO token price will be $0.03. The public sale will be $200,000. The maximum allocation will be $250. And also, please keep in mind that Formation will soon release an extensive research paper that you would probably want to get your hands on. With the community round now live, you can be able to participate in this SHO if you wish so. The easiest way is to join the socials of the project as we recommended in previous video of Formation.fi, and look out for the whitelisting, which also begins on the 7th of June 2021 and ends on the 9th of June 2021. The winners will be announced on this day at around 18:00 UTC, so you definitely want to mark this date on your calendar. Feel free to visit the menu page of Formation.fi for more information such as registration forms and the guide to the DAO Maker SHO. Important to note is that the Formation.fi project team also cautioned against buying Form before an official announcement is made on their channels. This is because there are multiple tokens contracts imitating Form and is going to be easy to fall prey, especially now that the SHO is hyped up. The second project we are going to check in with is Kanumo. As you recall in our previous first video on this project, Kanumo is a platform that is delivering a rich experience for anyone and everyone willing to participate in an ever-growing cannabis industry with zero stress. In case you missed this video and would like to watch it, please follow the link in the description below. Recently, the Kanumo team has made another effort to demystify the myths and false beliefs that cannabis is purely a recreational drug with no further uses. In a short article on their Medium page, Kanumo team explained that industrial hemp is a variety of cannabis sativa plant species with a specific use for industrial purposes. It is also one of the fastest growing plants in the world, along with bamboo. They explain that there is a difference between hemp with high CBD concentrations and low THC and your typical pothead drug like marijuana with extensive THC levels and irrelevant CBD concentration levels. Unlike drugs like marijuana, which usually have high concentration, industrial hemp has no psychoactive effect for its consumers. They recommend that the user differentiate it from other breeds of cannabis sativa, which are usually used for purely recreational purposes. Industrial hemp is useful in the following areas: medicine, pharmaceutical, beauty and general wellness products, food, natural fiber in textiles and fashion, biofuel and building materials. The Kanumo team finalized by making the case for cannabis, highlighting the various ways in the cannabis industry is related to other industries. By so doing, the team successfully illustrated that all other areas of economy will benefit by the legalization of cannabis. If you are still having doubts or gray areas on whether it's important to make cannabis legal in any country and promote it using the power of blockchain, as Kanumo is aiming to do, then you definitely want to visit the Medium page of Kanumo and read a detailed article. Hey, are you enjoying the video so far and getting value from it? If so, then please hit that like button. Also, please subscribe if you haven't done so already and press the bell icon so that you'll be notified about our newest videos. And just in case you are new here, our channel is your home of all amazing facts and latest developments in the world of cryptocurrencies. Moving on, ISPO Link recently announced on their Twitter handle that they are now live on QuickSwap DEX. This development is meant to help the users of ISPO's Link to trade, add liquidity faster and in a cost-efficient manner. QuickSwap is a next-generation Layer 2 DEX that is powered by Polygon and Ethereum. formerly known as Matic. It makes it easy for crypto traders to trade at lightning fast speeds with near zero gas fees. Also, it takes advantage of the Ethereum Layer 1, which is going to be very useful in the future. The intro video of ISPO link is available in the description below, so feel free to check it out just in case you need to refresh your knowledge. But in general, ISPO link is a cross-chain platform for tech talents powered by Binance Smart Chain. See the logic of going on QuickSwap? Still on ISPO link, the project also made another big stride as they announced that Polygon has been successfully integrated into the ISPO link platform. By providing cross-chain support via Polygon, ISPO link is empowering its users to take advantage of the considerably cheaper transaction fees and faster confirmation times. This is especially when they are utilizing ESP tokens to purchase hiring packages, stake ISP tokens, and earn referral bonuses or claim rewards. With this integration, ISPO link is also enabling users to bridge the ISP tokens directly to Polygon. Therefore, their token holders will be able to acquire ASP tokens and provide liquidity at negligible cost through one of the most rapidly growing decentralized exchanges, which is QuickSwap. If you wish to learn more about this development, there is a guide of how to bridge ISP tokens to Polygon network on the ISPO link Medium page. Last but not least, Bcube, the most advanced all-in-one platform for retail crypto traders, whether they are beginners or advanced, bringing premium quality tools and content for crypto trading in form of trading bots. Recently, they announced the launch of new trading bots for new and multiple needs. These are in-house AI bots for those who want the autopilot, or build your own bot if you want your very own personalized bot, and also the Bcube Academy for those who wish to learn everything. Bcube aims to help everyone who uses the platform to find out how to maximize their profits and minimize their risk. For this reason, you can now sign up on their website for any of the above needs. That's all we had for today, and we hope you enjoyed it. Please be sure to like the video if you got value from it, and make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so that you never miss any of our videos in the future. Until next time, cheers guys, bye bye!